Oh my god!
Hey, what's up?
Oh my god, what is this? What is this? A head in a box? Who are you?
Hey, got a head cold, don't you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Seems pretty bad. You know what I think? I think we should switch heads.
What?
Get rid of that head. Put it in the box here. No,
Can
no.
I do that?
Oh yeah, this is a very healthy head you got here.
Well, yeah, you do look
Oh,
quite alright.
yeah, I'm fit as a fiddle. Come on, you know you wanna. It's really easy. Just pop yours off. Pop this one on. You feel like $1,000,000, I promise.
You know, that sounds actually pretty good.
All right, now just reach and grab. Just pop it off. Good. Whoa. And you get the box.
Oh. Damn, this was a bad idea. Oh, God. No! No! Not the cover! No!
Oh, my box came. What the hell is this? Subscribe. Okay, and I'll give you this. Oh, wow! This is such an incredible model. I mean, these are really expensive. I've always wanted to try one.